Crypto hides its treasures deep in the trenches.
The deeper the dive, the greater the rewards. And the deeper you go, the darker it gets. But with the right tools, the shadows begin to clear. And the path to gold no longer seems so intimidating.
The deeper the dive, the greater the reward. Like in Spice Girls, they used to go, and two becomes one. To truly uncover valuable opportunities, you need deep analysis, precision, and clarity. And that's why, let me get my phone, you have OKX Wallet. OKX Wallet gives you all the right tools you need when trading on chain. Look out for distinct trading modes customized to your preferences. We've also introduced limit orders for extra precision. And last but not least, the new tokens page, which enables you to analyze the security credentials and much more of any token. Dive right in with confidence, no matter how deep the trench is. And we'll see you on the next video. I can't swim.